Hi, I'm Uri Aspa, Corporate Training Manager for Kramer Electronics. Welcome to ISE 2020, where we are showcasing Kramer Academy. Kramer Academy offers end-to-end knowledge solutions for the AV and IT industry. This includes professional certification paths, which are knowledge bundles, including variety of courses in audio, control, via collaboration, AV over IP, and more, tailor-made for both salespeople and technical people. So our training is the most interactive training in the industry, and it includes a practical simulator of setting up a Cisco switch for AV over IP streaming, configuring KDS devices for encoding, decoding, and many other controls and products, and of course technologies in the AV and IT field. Our training provides you the practical skills you need to succeed and leverage your knowledge in the AV and IT industry today. So for more information, visit www.kramerv.com/academy. Thank you.